What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, here to bring you a Maxpedition Micro kit that I built in about 30 seconds or so. I basically took a lot of tools from a recent tool I had and some other small tools and put them together. This is just more of a demonstration of what you can do with the Maxpedition Micro, and also to give you guys and myself some ideas about what I can carry in the future, what I can use, how I can be prepared for different situations, and etc. So let me start off with the right side. So first thing I got is my 5-inch Van pliers, screw removal pliers. They work great to grab on a small bolt, so work great to grab onto screws with its screw removal feature. If you don't have any screw removal pliers in your kit, I highly recommend getting them. Van pliers, Engineer, companies like those, even Knipex, they have 8-inch twin grip pliers. Very good, very useful. They can really change your life. These are some Boenfu, Boenfu, wire cutters. These are the smallest wire cutters I could find. I have had these before. I lost a pair, obviously, because it's so small. They are very useful. They serve a good purpose. Not great for taller kits, because when you put it in, they might fall to the bottom, then you got to reach your fingers in. But for a kit like this, yeah, it works out. Maxpedition does have good loopholes and pockets. This is my proto ratchet. It's gonna have to go with my Gedor or Jedor. I don't know. It's a Swiss company. Adapter. Put the adapter onto this, and then pull out some bits. All of a sudden, I got a ratchet with some bits. If I want to, I can also fit in some sockets. Maybe not the whole set, but I can fit in some. I took out the 9/16, and I don't know where I put it, so I gotta find that. But yeah, I can put in a set of sockets as well. But that would cause me to take other things out of this kit. Also have in here my Wera 1/4-inch driver. Dependable, reliable, and I always like Wera's designs. They have a good eye for designs. It's not ratcheting or anything like that. I do have a small ratcheting driver as well, but Wera's good company. Why not? Over here I got my PB Swiss micro driver. 3 different blades, all with flathead on one end, Phillips on the other end. This has been coming in handy. I've been keeping this. I haven't been keeping this in an EDC kit. I've been keeping it in my pocket. And the smallest flatheads, they do fit pretty well into sensor switches. The smallest one also fits for glasses. So if you need a glasses screwdriver, consider this one. It's pretty good. It's pretty portable. Overall, I'm happy with it so far. Next I have is a terminal pin. This is a new tool to me. I got this because I was, putting wire into terminals, and I always try to think of easier ways to do things, better ways to do things. So I'm gonna have this on me, and next time I have to do that, I'll try to give it a try. Maybe I'll lift up the terminal with that, put the wire in under it. Maybe it'll work out. Also, it's a pin type tool, so good for reset buttons, good for punching valves. It's just always good to have a all poke type tool on hand. They really do come in handy, although I don't want to abuse this one. This one is a little different. Got my 4-inch crescent wrench right here. So I don't have sockets in this kit, but I got a crescent wrench and I got a pair of screw pliers. So I will get those nuts and bolts out, those small nuts and bolts out. They may end up getting a little stripped and rounded, but that's okay. Sometimes that's necessary. And I got a 125mm Knipex Cobras. I wasn't a fan of using these. I wasn't a fan of using any small tools before, but I'm starting to get used to that. I'm starting to see how they fit. And I was on a job today, and I actually really could have used these types of pliers. So I don't know, I'm thinking about incorporating these Knipex Cobras into more jobs, or maybe I'll get a 6-inch pair, 150mm pair, who knows. Last thing I have on me is a Kershaw knife. This was a very cheap knife I got some years ago. I had a pocket clip on it, and I took that clip off to make it a little thinner. Comes with a little flathead screwdriver lanyard hole / pry bar, and a bottle opener. I'm not a fan of bottle openers being on multi-tools. If you have 2 tools, a knife and a bottle opener, in my opinion, you only have 1 tool. Every tool has a bottle opener. We don't need any more of those. We really don't. But, not a great blade, but, get the job done in situations that you need it. So, Maxpedition Micro kit, pretty small kit. Small kits for small tools, but as you can see, it'll take this pile of tools and organize it pretty well into one pouch. Granted, the pouch is tough to close when I have the tools in there, but just wanted to showcase one of the possibilities of this. I plan to do more videos in the future with different combination of things with the Maxpedition Micro and the Maxpedition Mini to kind of give you guys some ideas, and also give myself some ideas of, hey, what can I carry, what can I bring if I want to be a minimalist but still be prepared. Let me know what you guys think of my toolkit I put together in about 30 seconds in the comments, and let me know what ideas you have or what tools you put in a micro EDC kit.